Are you a new YouTuber on this YouTube street thinking of how you can actually achieve your first 1,000 subscribers? You don't even know what to do. You are confused. At this point of your life, you even feel like quitting YouTube because you've been here for days, for months, for years, and you are not moving forward. You're not moving backward. Your subscribers are just stuck in one zone. They are stopped in one corner, and you were like, oh God, should I give up? Should I not give up? I'm here to give you all of that tips, what I did on how I was able to achieve my first 1,000 subscribers and how you can actually do it. I put up a video of how I was able to achieve my 4,000 watch hour, and that video has helped a whole lot of persons. That video is still helping people. You can also go and watch that video if you're struggling for your 4,000 watch hour. First thing you need to know is that before you get to your first 1,000 subscribers, you must get to your 1 subscriber, you get to your 10 subscribers, you get to your 100 subscribers before getting to 1,000 subscribers. Trust me, it is not funny for those of us on this YouTube street, those of us that personally do not have anybody that can actually promote our videos or tell other persons to be like, oh, subscribe to this person's channel, or tell this person to be like, oh, this is my friend, this is my sister, subscribe to channel. It's a very, very difficult task for us to give you all of those tips that could help you. These tips are what have helped me, and they are still helping me. If I open your channel today, the first thing I do is to apply these tips, okay? If that is everything that is disturbing in this video, stick right hook in this video as we are going to be diving right into this video.
It's by Sonia.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's by Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys are doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do well to like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And if you've been watching my content, you've not considering subscribing, I wonder why you have not subscribed to help this girl's ministry. Please do well to hit on that subscribe button, as this is going to help me a whole lot. The first thing I did to get my first 100, which is my first 1, 10, and 100 subscribers, is to practically tell people about my channel. It is not easy, I understand. It is not easy to approach that Mr. A, that Mr. B. See, first of all, let me shock you. The people that will even subscribe to your channel and ended up unsubscribing to your channel are those your close friends. They are those your close relatives. They are those your close party that never believe in your dream. But as long as you know what you want for yourself, you just have to keep pushing. Let's keep that one aside. What to do is to tell your family and friends. This is very important. It is very important because in as much as more of them are not willing to support you, they're not willing to give you a helping hand because they don't even know your dream, they don't even know your vision, they don't even know where your YouTube channel is going to, you need to still keep telling them. So this is what I did. Then I was working in a hotel facility, and what I did most of the times was, once I get my guests in, I stylishly, before I stylishly tell them, I make sure I build that good customer relationship, serve you very well, make sure you're very comfortable. Then probably on your checking out, I'll just tell you that, oh, you can just check out my channel. I am also a YouTuber, just a growing YouTuber. And before you know, they will just go there and be like, they'll subscribe. Next time that they are coming, because most of the customers or most of the guests I've been able to work with are corporate guests. So I work more with corporate guests, of which I have like every tendency of seeing them after two weeks, because then they were going for most of the guests I work with were going for offshore work. I don't know if you guys get. I think most of those guests are still watching my videos, okay? So they'll just come, they'll be like, oh, Faith, Sonia, your videos pop up. I always help you watch and support your video. And I'll be like, sir, I'm so grateful. So after that, I have to move straight to my families and friends. And I started begging them. I said, please, you know, you need to beg. If you know what you're looking for, you need to beg. Because right now, I am not begging anybody. But then I was begging. I'll be like, please, I have a YouTube channel. Can you please help me subscribe? Some persons will tell me that no, subscription will cost money. You know, you need to explain these things to those your family and friends. Some persons think that when they subscribe to your channel, they are deducting money for them, or definitely they are going to be incurring 1 or 2 charges. And then I'll be able to explain to them, I'll tell them that no, there's no subscription at all. Subscription is free. Nobody's going to charge you anything. All you just need to do is just to go to my channel, just help me watch one video from beginning to the end, and then subscribe. Why do I said watch one video from beginning to the end? Because if these people just go there and then subscribe to your channel and then leave, YouTube will see them as inactive subscribers, and then we remove them later on. That's why some of you will notice that, oh, you have like 200, 300 subscribers, and before you wake up in the morning, like 10, 30, 20, they've already gone out of their subscribers. Then you start wondering what is happening. How did I lose these subscribers? They subscribe. I'm sure they subscribe. So what is happening? YouTube actually removed those subscribers because they see them as inactive subscribers. They see them as subscribers that you just bring them like follow. Mona follow come. Mona come occupy my space. So they will remove them. So you need to explain to them that they need to watch one full video from beginning to the end. Even if not from beginning to the end, at least 3 minutes at most, okay? Then they can now subscribe. By doing that, even if they don't get to watch your videos again, those subscribers will actually count for you before your channel will still blow up. You guys understand what I'm trying to say? Thing I did to get my first 100 subscribers was also to meet anybody I see in the keke, anybody I see in the let me just say, in any place at all. I was able to like meet anybody. I will kindly, respectfully tell you, I'm telling you guys this from the depth of my heart because I know what I suffered to get to this place. I will tell them and I'll practically beg. And then this is what I did. Some persons will tell me that, Madam, I don't have data. I always make sure I have data anywhere I'm going to. I will tell you that, yes, I have data, okay? So I will hotspot you and then you subscribe. Even if I see you inside keke, I will tell you with all due respect. So, hi, hello bros, hello auntie. I have a YouTube channel. Please, can you help me check out my YouTube channel? I'm just a new YouTuber. Some of them will not understand. They'll be like, what is YouTube? What is YouTuber? I'll just explain to them, okay, this is it, this is it, this is it, and I have to like get some subscribers on YouTube. But trust me, subscribers is free, and that my contents are boring, but just help me subscribe. So they will help me and subscribe. So the way I was doing that, I was able to achieve my first 100 subscribers on time. When I got my first 100 subscribers, I was so happy. I was so thankful. The second thing I did for me to get my 1,000 subscribers was to collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other small YouTubers, your age, okay? Because it will be very uncalled for, whereby someone like me now is now going to someone that have 100k subscribers, 60k subscribers, and telling that person that I want to collaborate. Please, what can I offer that person? But if some persons are considerate enough, they can actually collaborate with you. They don't have any issue. Because someone like me, if you tell me that we should collaborate and I see that, okay, your channel is small, I can collaborate with you. I don't have any issue with that. So if you have any collaboration you want to bring on our channel, bring it on. All you need to do is to bring a video idea that can suit my channel and suit your channel, and then we are good to go. Collaboration is free, okay? But some persons, instead of meeting all these their age YouTubers, they'll go and meet all these big YouTubers. So I was opportune then to meet all my small YouTubers, okay? The life of Sarah, the life of Mary Ibe, the life of Ugoma Uban, although then she was our big auntie there, the life of Nancy Amadi, and every other person that I cannot be able to like mention on this channel. So I met them, and then we're doing more like collaboration, okay? So after doing our collaboration videos, then we'll tell their subscribers to subscribe. I tell my own subscribers as well to subscribe. In one way or the other, our channel is small as at that time, but you will see 1 or 2 persons collaborating and commenting and saying, oh, I came from Onoja's channel, because then I was answering Onoja's. This person will be like, I came from Nancy Amadi's channel, I came from Sarah and John's, I came from like different persons, you understand? In one way or the other, we're able to get, even if it's 1 or 2 subscribers, and of which this is a huge growth, okay? I remember even going all the way to Golf Estate just to collaborate in a skating video with a guy. That video is still on my channel, okay? In a skating video with a guy called Mike Mickey Manata. So yes, I did that collaboration, and I got over like up to like 20 subscribers from that guy, okay? After that collaboration, I don't know how to skate, but just for the fact that I want to do collaboration and I know where my visions, where I'm envisioning my channel to be, I have to do all of that. So if you are not doing collaboration with your small YouTubers, with your age mates, even people that are bigger than you, if you want to do, if you apply with them and they said, yes, come, let's do collaboration, then you are free, you can do collaboration. It is very, very important. Start doing collaboration. Collaboration can help you in a long way. Even if you get 2 subscribers, 3 subscribers, 4 subscribers coming from that collaboration video alone, it is a huge contribution that you yourself will not even know. So the third thing, this one sounds funny, but that was the third thing. That was my honest thought thing that I did. I have to go to Instagram page to go and look for small YouTuber support. I have to go to Telegram to go and look for small YouTuber support. I have to go to TikTok as well to look for small YouTuber support. So what I did then on Instagram is I search for small YouTuber support, and I get some small YouTubers community support, and then I get to join those YouTube community support. And then what we do is that I will come to your channel and like subscribe, and then you will come to my channel and also subscribe. That's what we do then, okay? So even on my Telegram that I joined their support, Telegram own was the one that give me like within like this, okay? So what we did was to create, you have to create over like 10 emails or 5 emails. After creating those emails, then you get your small YouTuber support. You tell this person, oh, you need to support me so that I can support you. You tell this person, okay, I have like 3 channels. I can use those 3 channels to like subscribe to your channel. And that person will use his own 3 channel or her own 3 channel to also subscribe to your channel. I did that. So it was not even in less than a month or in less than 2 months, I was able to get my 500 subscribers. Okay, you can go into my channel and check when I did my 500 subscribers and all this. Hey, I got 500 subscribers, stuff like that. Okay, some persons will not tell you the truth how they got it. They will tell you that, oh, it's hard work and everything that brought them here. Yes, it is hard work, I understand, but seriously, these things need to be said to you guys so that you guys can also know how you can be able to like achieve your first 1,000 subscribers. To like get a whole lot of support, I was able to like tell them, okay, I have so account. At some point I started using my fiancé, then he was my fiancé, now my husband. I was also using his YouTube account to like subscribe to other persons so that they can also subscribe to me. So if you're looking for how you can get your first 1,000 subscriber as well, you can also try these small YouTubers support. Search them on Instagram, search them on Telegram, search them on TikTok. You will get them, and then you guys can also support each other. It will be so unfair that they will come and support you and then you will not go and support them. Okay, that was the thing that I did, and I think when I did that, I got to about 700 subscribers. Yes, I got to about 700 subscribers. Then the next thing I did was to start attending live streams there, and then I remember Deaconess Bless K, I think I'm correct. That was where I met Ogom Series. That was where I met oh, I've forgotten her name. Oh, I met some quite few YouTubers there because we were able to like render each other our support through that live stream where Deaconess Bless K will tell you, okay, show love to this person, show support to this person. So it's not only Deaconess Bless K that do that, other live streamers also do that. Even international YouTubers, they also do that live stream whereby you come to support each other as small YouTubers so that you can actually get your first 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so I did that as well, and I was able to get more subscribers. I can't remember the exact amount of subscribers I was able to get from that end. Okay, but in doing all of this Telegram and this other live stream support, I was able to accumulate my first 1,000 subscribers. And let me tell you guys something. In this journey of getting your 1,000 subscribers, even when you are doing all of that support, at some point YouTube will actually be removing your subscribers. But the only thing that you will do is for you to give up. If you didn't give up, trust me, your subscribers are still going to be coming, because in as much as YouTube are taking 1 or 2 from your subscribers, you can also go and like start accumulating more to your subscribers. Okay, so after I got my 1,000 subscribers, okay, I was sure I got up to 1,100 subscribers. Let me not lie to you guys. Then I stopped totally. When I mean I stopped automatically from going to support for support. The next thing I started doing was to push in videos. Mind you, at those points where I was doing all this, my YouTuber support, trying to look for my subscribers, trying to make sure I got subscribers, I was also uploading videos back to back. Then I think I was uploading 3 times in a week because I was still working then. I was a working class babe then, okay? So I was uploading 3 times in a week since I don't have all of that time to start uploading every day. But I never fail in uploading. Then another thing that really helps me, because I believe that it is not only by those support for support that brought all of those subscribers. Another thing that helped me again was to do videos about tutorials. So instead of pushing in my lifestyle content, if you're a lifestyle vlogger, instead of pushing more of my lifestyle content that I feel that as at that point it was really boring for people to watch, I started doing more of tutorials, how to get your TikTok followers, how to get your first 10,000. You can go to my channel and check. All those videos are still here. I didn't take down any of those videos, except for those ones that I will say it in another videos, okay, in another video that I'm going to do. So I started doing how to get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok, how to monetize your how to get money from different live stream apps. See, let me tell you guys, not like now that I started making quite money from all this live stream app. Initially when I started those tutorials, I was not making that much. I was just making very small, but I still encourage myself to keep pushing. I remember that time, even most persons that watch my videos, my tutorial will be like, oh, thank you so much. They're even making like way more than me. Some of them will even come and call me personally and be like, oh, send your account details. They will like bless me and the rest of that. But in all of that, when you are looking for your 1,000 subscribers, don't forget your upload. Your uploads are very important. Your videos are very important, because once they come into your channel, these are what they will keep watching. These are what YouTube will keep recommending to them. So imagine now that you are just looking for 1,000 subscribers and all you are planning is just subscribers. You're not even putting a video. That will be very wrong, okay? So the next thing I did, in as much as I was looking for my first 1,000 subscribers, I was making sure that I was working on my thumbnails, okay? See, not like then you guys should go to my videos and watch. There is no way I can come to your screen and without doing makeup or without doing, like, you always see me popping. You always see me popping to a point. I think recently one of my subscriber commented, okay, she chatted me up on my WhatsApp, because in one way or another we get to exchange WhatsApp. Now she was like, babe, the contents that you have been pushing before, those your makeup, waiting happen, you know, you do your makeup again. I was like, babe, you don't go understand, but I will try, okay? So you need to also make sure that your videos are touching up, your thumbnails are touching up. You are trying in as much as possible to like edit your captions. Sometimes when I post videos, I still come back and like re-edit my captions over and over again. I go back and I watch other people's own. I'll be like, okay, what is making these people's channel to like grow like this? I'll come back again and re-edit my captions. I'll come back and re-edit my thumbnail. You might come to my video today if you're someone that is very, very noticeable of your environment or of my videos. You come to my video today and see this thumbnail. Next tomorrow you come and see different thumbnails. This was me just trying to like upgrade myself in different aspects of my life when I was actually looking for my first 1,000 subscribers. And then when I got my first 1,000 subscribers, that point I was already accumulating my watch hour, because I was also uploading videos. Then I started pursuing my watch hour, how to get my 4,000 watch hour. You guys already dropped video on how you can get your 4,000 watch hour. If you've not watched, please go and watch. So these are ways of how I was able to achieve my first 1,000 subscriber on YouTube. So if you're looking for ways, I believe, and I strongly believe, and I'm still saying that I believe that if you put all of this into display, you are definitely going to get your 1,000 subscribers. Except if you are among those set of persons that your first video just blew up, or you have YouTubers that can actually announce you, that can actually tell them that, oh yes, go and subscribe, she's my sister, and then they go ahead to like subscribe, then just skip this video. This video is not for you. But if you are those kind of person that you don't have anybody, you don't have any support, your subscribers are not going front, they're not going back, they're just stagnant, you even get your 10,000 subscribers, 10 subscribers is a very big issue for you. Please take all of these that I've said into display, and trust me, this is actually going to work for you. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. I hope this video is able to encourage someone not to give up on your YouTube journey. That is what I always preach. The moment you give up, that is the end for you. So don't ever think you're giving up at any point of your life, okay? So if it does, if you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yeah, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.